It's opening day of Kentucky turkey season.
Due to the mild winter, these birds were fired up early.
We're hoping to get a double on camera, but things don't always go as planned.
Grubb had these birds roosted the night before, but as the old saying goes, a roosted bird is not always a roasted bird.
Had these birds hot on the roost, but a few old hens had a different plan for old Tom.
Instead of coming to our calls, they followed the hens in the opposite direction.
So we headed up the ridge to the green field. With only 3 oak trees up there, we had to bust out oak sturdies ground by chameleons. These things are pretty handy right here. Just snip a couple limbs, stick them down in the tubes, stick them in front or behind your setup to break up your silhouette.
These birds came in quick on us, giving us little time to set up. Had Grubb on the left, Swayne on the right, had a big oak tree right in front of me. The birds were in a strut behind the tree, making it difficult for both hunters to have clear shots while the turkeys were still in the frame. Luckily, we were able to communicate and make something happen.
Finally, the hen led the gobblers clear of the tree. Gave old Tom a cluck, and I let the hammer fly.
I mean, he's got a good beard, good 10.5 inch beard, good inch spurs, just a good 3-year-old bird. Just a good all-around hunt this morning. Have some 3 strutters come in on you like that. Share some time with some good friends. So anytime we do that, it's always a good time.